Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to unbox, set up and review the Quntis laptop monitor lamp. Hopefully my video will give you the information you need about this product. By the end of the video, if you like the product and you want to buy it, you can benefit from our exclusive discount code from Quntis. Read the description for more details. Inside the box you have the lamp, a bag, the user manual, an Allen key and a strap. Now let's have a look at the lamp. It weighs 185 grams and it's 30 centimeters long. On top you have the controls and a light sensor in the middle. It has a clip allowing you to connect it to laptops with a thickness of between 1 to 15 millimeters. You can also slightly rotate the lamp head to adjust the projected light angle. Using the Allen key provided, you can tighten the clip. It can be powered on using a USB port or a USB-C port. This means you can use your laptop as the power source. You can also use a phone charger or a power bank as the power source. Now I will connect the lamp to my laptop. As you can see, it's really easy to connect and the lamp doesn't get in the way of the webcam. Next, I will connect the USB port to my laptop. Now to power it on, press the power on/off button. As you can see, it only illuminates the desktop workspace and I can slightly adjust the lamp head to cover the section of the laptop I need. Next you have the light sensor switch. If I enable this switch, the lamp will automatically adjust the brightness according to the surrounding light. This means that the light will automatically increase the brightness when it starts to get dark in the room, and the light will automatically reduce its brightness when there's more light in the room. Next you have the corrected color temperature, which will allow you to switch between warm white, natural white, and white. The last button on the left is used to increase or reduce the brightness. Overall, this is a great laptop monitor lamp. It is really good at illuminating my desktop workspace. It's small, lightweight, and the provided bag makes it easy to carry. It's very easy to use and the auto dimming function will help adjust the brightness for you. It can be used for work or leisure in any location such as your home, office, or other public spaces. Also, it has a memory function which automatically remembers your last setting, so you won't need to adjust your settings every time. If you have any questions about this product, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.